Everybody, I'd like to welcome you to BossBoxBreaks. This is everybody's first time with me, as this is my first time posting on eBay. Now, I have a winners list here to show you, like mentioned in the rules of the break. We have Anaheim, Bill 94547. Boston goes to 2010 Derek. Buffalo MCS. Calgary Collins own account. Carolina Rocky Horror. Chicago Pyra York. Colorado Sargi. Columbus Blue Jackets Rocky Horror, as well as Dallas. Detroit goes to Sneaky Little Hobbitses. Edmonton goes to Collins own account again. Florida gets Sneaky Little Hobbitses. LA Leafs fan forever. Minnesota Kelly 27. Montreal goes to Andre Jeanette. Nashville goes to Sneaky Little Hobbitses. And then New Jersey as well as Ottawa down here. New York Islanders goes to Sargi. New York Rangers goes to Kyle C. Like I said, Sneaky Hobbitses gets Ottawa, my favorite team. Philadelphia gets Bono. Phoenix, RDC. Pittsburgh, Sargi. San Jose, RDC. St. Louis, Tasman. Tampa Bay, Drag-Oy, sorry, I can't pronounce that. Leafs fan forever gets Toronto. McCloskey gets Vancouver. Tasman gets Washington. And Sargi gets Winnipeg, which was the last auction that was won. And this is the exact time, if you guys want to go and check. April 28th, 2012 at 10:29:01. And yeah, so what we're gonna do here is, you can see the green on the page. That's because we have somebody who won 5+ teams. So Sneaky Little Hobbitses, we got a little something for you. It's coming your way. We get a Captain C Gilbert Perreault silver game used jersey, and that's from Buffalo. So congratulations to you. That's going to be coming your way. Also going to show you the time right now. This would be April 28th. April 28th, and it's 10:46. That's central. Just to let you know, that's central. So in Winnipeg. So out east, that'll be an hour ahead, and out west, that'll be a couple hours back. Now I'm going to show you the serial number of the box, and it will match the one that we had on eBay. We've got NE 93889710, and it's, like I said, wrapped, sealed. We're good to go. I'd like to welcome you guys to BossBoxBreaks once again. I'd like to thank Sneaky Little Hobbitses one more time here. We're going to get at it. Just let you guys know, if you want to know of any upcoming breaks, just leave me a message on eBay and I'll let you know. If you guys have any input as to what boxes you'd like to see broken as well, I'm all ears. We got 10 packs, empty box, checklist, first pack. 2011-12 certified. There's 5 cards per pack. This might be our first mem card. We'll save that for a little after. Sorry to keep you waiting. Alright, now the way this is going to work, guys, before I start up, guys and girls, sorry, is for base cards like this Joe Thornton here, I'm just going to read out the team name. So San Jose would get this card. All my cards get shipped out. Doesn't matter if it's a base or what it is, you guys are going to get these cards. So I'm just going to read out the team name. If you want to know exactly the cards you got later, just send me a message, I'll let you know. Otherwise, they are coming in the mail if I read out your team. We've got San Jose, LA, we've got Vancouver, we've got Detroit, and a base pack to start off with. Let's get those out of the way. Apparently there's 2 in every box, so sorry that last card was a Pittsburgh, that was a Jordan Stahl, that's my bad. We've got New York, San Jose, Philly, sorry, New York, San Jose, and we've got a Mass Marvels of Jimmy Howard, and that will go to Detroit and Sneaky Little Hobbitses. It's not numbered. By the way, nice card. The last card was a Nashville card. And a spacer for me. Just want to let you guys know, stay tuned after this break. We'll be doing something a little special. We'll try and get some more cards out to you guys if you don't get any hits, or if you do even. Alright, we've got Toronto. We've got Nashville. San Jose again. A spacer. And we've got a signed rookie, Cameron Gaunce, Colorado Avalanche. And that goes out to Sargi. Sargi 03, Colorado. It's an on-card auto. It's not numbered. Nice card though. Congratulations, Sargi with Colorado. And the last card was an Alexander Burrows, Vancouver. That'll go to Vancouver. We've got Montreal, Carolina, Jeff Skinner, St. Louis, spacer. We've got a red mirror, I believe, yep, of Henrik Lundqvist, and that's going to New York, and that's going to Kyle C. So congratulations on that card. And it is paralleled, and that's 26 of 199. So there you go, Kyle C. Congratulations. A red mirror, Henrik Lundqvist. Last card was Detroit. Try and speed up here so we don't have too long of a video. Also want to get that bonus going. Well, let's show the first mem card. Why not? Let's get her done. First, we've got a Winnipeg. This will be a Winnipeg card here for Andrew Ladd. We've got Montreal. We've got New York Islanders and another Montreal. It's a big pack. And our first mem card is a great parallel, and it's going to Detroit. It's a number 93 fabric of the game for Johan Franzen in Detroit. Goes to Sneaky Little Hobbitses. So Sneaky Little Hobbitses is getting a couple here. And that is paralleled. Nice little parallel here, actually. 13 of 25. Awesome card for Sneaky Little Hobbitses. Little number 93. These are all actual game-worn jerseys in here. And the last card in that under there was for Calgary, sorry. There's always one under the hit there. We've got the parallel card for the only one in the deck, actually, unless you hit a hot box of Derek Stepan for New York. We've got from the back Tampa Bay, Buffalo, spacer, and certified potential of Sergei Bobrovsky. Bobrovsky's on the case. That's right, I said it. And that is paralleled. Nice parallel as well, actually, 17 to 25. And that's Sergei Bobrovsky. Nice certified potential card there. That Philadelphia card goes to Bono, 6699. Congratulations to Bono. New York Islanders, Minnesota, Boston, Spacer, and we've got a, this is a redemption card, card number 9. Now what we're going to have to do is, in order to see who gets this card, I'm going to have to mention it during the bonus round here. So if you guys will, come back during the bonus round. I just want to show you the numbers if you can, just so you know I'm not doing anything here. But this is a certified gold team signatures, which means it's going to be a really nice card, and it's card number 9. So we'll get back to you during the bonus round video for that. That'll be posted right after this one here. So that is going to be a mystery until the bonus round. Third last pack. And the last card in there was Toronto, Phil Kessel. We've got Minnesota. We've got Oilers. Buffalo. Spacer. St. Louis. And we've also got, for New York Islanders, an immortal card of Pat LaFontaine. And that New York Islanders card goes to Sargi, 03. This is also a parallel here, I'll show you. It's parallel 191 of 500. So good on you there, Sargi. That'll be coming to you as well. Pat LaFontaine, Immortals. Second last pack before we shut down and get ready for the bonus round. San Jose, New York, or sorry, New Jersey, I should say. Sorry, New York. We've got, this is going to be a base, just to let you guys know. But I'll read off the base so you know you're getting them. That's Phoenix, Philadelphia, and another Oilers. Oh, I opened both sides of that pack. This is that mem pack here. We've got Buffalo, Detroit. Sorry about that a couple of seconds ago, I was having a little issue. We've got Dallas. And Dallas again, sorry for the suspense. We've got a parallel jersey card of Jody Shelley for Philadelphia. That Philadelphia card will go to Bono. So you got that one on the Sergei Bobrovsky Bono, so good job there. This one's parallel as well. 333 of 399. So congratulations to Philly and Bono 6699. Now we are going to shut this video down here for a few moments. We're going to get the bonus together, and we'll be right back, guys. So thank you very much, and please stay tuned to see what else we could possibly get you.